Bitcoin payments for your website, the complete step-by-step guide. Hi, my name's Darren, and this is the Bitcoin payment window we'll create together within the next 10 minutes. It displays a unique Bitcoin address and a QR code as your trusted, secure Bitcoin payment gateway. So first of all, we need to download the project files from Github. Search Github in your favourite browser. Search for ShirePay. Click Users and click ShirePay again. Click the Bitcoin payment window project link. Select the clone or download drop-down button and then the download zip. Open your download folder and extract it. We are now going to transfer the downloaded project into our web folder. Open up our extracted file. Open up a new File Explorer window. Navigate to your www root folder. Copy and paste the extracted files into the www root folder. Open up Internet Information Services. Click the default document icon, add, and type payment-window.php. Now we can browse the website and see the page trying to communicate with the ShirePay web service. All is great so far. We are now going to generate our bit32 extended public key. Head over to iancoleman.io/bit39 and generate 24 seed words. Change the coin drop-down to BTC Bitcoin testnet and click the bit32 derivation path. Enter the bit32 derivation path as shown here. Return to the bit49 tab and view the first Bitcoin address ending JYSM. To use the Electrum Bitcoin testnet wallet, we need to launch Electrum in testnet mode. Right mouse click on the Electrum icon and go to the end of the target path. After the double quotes, add a space and enter --testnet. Click apply and OK and you're all set. Copy the 24-word bit39 mnemonic from Ian Coleman's website and then open up the Electrum wallet. Select the standard wallet and select I already have a seed for your key store. Paste your seed into the text area and click Options. Click the bit39 seed and click OK. For the script type, select P2H-Segwit. Optionally, enter a password if you wish. On opening Electrum, select the Addresses tab and view the first Bitcoin address. Confirm it ends with JYSM and matches the first address previously generated. It's free to register for a Sandbox account with ShirePay. Head over to merchant.shirepay.net and click the register link. Enter your email and password and click the register button. Registration is now complete. Click the site settings link within the merchant header. Click the Bit32 tab within Ian Coleman's webpage. Copy to your clipboard the Bit32 extended public key starting with tpub. Reopen the site settings page and paste the Bit32 extended public key into the xpub text area. Add a name for your site. Enter the password when you first registered to the site and click Save. Check the first Bitcoin address and confirm it ends with JYSM. Click Refresh for a new access token and click Save again. Open the config.php file within your favourite editor. Change the .com to .net for sandbox testing. Copy and paste the token from site settings into the token value within config.php. Make sure you stay within the single quotes. Repeat the process for the secret setting. Save the file and open your browser pointing to localhost. After connecting with the ShirePay servers, the payment window will appear showing your first Bitcoin address. For more information, please visit www.shirepay.com and request a free, no obligation to buy live demo. ShirePay, Bitcoin payments for your website.